features? Certainly. Here are some distinguishable features of polar bears that set them apart from other bear species. 1. White fur. Polar bears have a unique white fur that helps them blend in with their icy surroundings. Unlike other bear species, their fur is not actually white but transparent and hollow, which helps to trap heat from the sun. 2. Adaptations for the Arctic. Polar bears have several physical adaptations that allow them to survive in the extreme Arctic environment. These include a thick layer of blubber for insulation, small ears and tail to minimize heat loss, and large, strong paws for walking on ice and swimming. 3. Aquatic lifestyle. Unlike other bear species, polar bears are highly adapted to a semi-aquatic lifestyle. They are excellent swimmers and can cover long distances in the water. Their partially webbed paws and streamlined bodies make them efficient swimmers. 4. Diet. While other bear species are omnivorous, polar bears are primarily carnivorous. Their diet consists mainly of seals, which they hunt on sea ice. They have evolved specific hunting techniques and rely on their acute sense of smell to locate seals' breathing holes. 5. Size. Polar bears are the largest bear species and the largest land predators on Earth. Adult males can weigh up to 1,500 pounds and stand over 10 feet tall when on their hind legs. Females are generally smaller but still larger than most other bear species. 6. Habitat. Polar bears are uniquely adapted to the Arctic habitat and are found in the Arctic regions of the world, including Alaska, Canada, Greenland, Norway, and Russia. They are specifically adapted to live and hunt on sea ice, which is crucial for their survival. These are some of the key features that distinguish polar bears from other bear species. Their white fur, adaptations for the Arctic, aquatic lifestyle, specialized diet, large size, and unique habitat make them truly remarkable and distinct among bears.